I'm Boba Fett, and I'm Luke. Yeah. This is the Star Friends universe where we're all friends and we get along, so it never really made a big movie hit, but whatever. Why are we here again? Well, you're the one that knows. What are we doing? Oh, that's right. We're doing a lab in Nathan's physics class, and you're supposed to go for a walk to demonstrate acceleration in the negative direction. What? Well, just go for a walk that way, and I'll tell you what to do, and then it will all be done, and we can just get over this whole thing. This is the stupidest lab ever. Well, you know, these are complicated times, and maybe we just need a little levity and stupidness. Alright, what do I gotta do? Okay, here's what you gotta do. You gotta walk to the west. You're gonna start from rest. I am at rest. Well, be more restful. Start from rest and accelerate at 1 meter per second squared. What? Well, that just means that like after the first second you're going 1 meter per second, and then the next second you're going 2 meters per second. How long do I have to do this to? I don't know. How about 3 seconds? That's pretty fast. 3 meters in 1 second. Well, look, just do it. Demonstration purposes. Just give it your best shot. Alright. Do you have the WeTime app going? Yeah, I got it. We're good. Don't worry about it. Alright. I'm going to the west. So like that way. Yeah. Yes, that way. And this is negative. Yes. Alright. Are you going to say go? I'll say go. Are you going to give me a warning? Yes, I'll give you a warning. Alright. I'm a little anxious. You'll be fine. You're just walking. Okay. 3, 2, 1. And make sure you accelerate. Like you just gotta, it's 1 meter per second. So like start slow and then go faster. I got it. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Zzz. Stop. I ran out of space, so I stopped early. Well, that was really good. It wasn't 3 seconds. It was actually more like half a second. I had nowhere else to go. You have a good point. But I think for demonstration purposes, you got the point across. Is that it? This is the lamest lab ever. Like, I just went for a walk in the west direction. Yeah, but you demonstrated the purpose, the whole idea of acceleration and the fact that it can be negative and you're speeding up. Good point. But can I do something like more interesting? Can I like go up and down? No, not yet. Next week. We'll do that later. Oh. All right. So Aiden told us that you got to do something like this on your own. You may not have Star Wars action figures and your own Hoth Ice Planet adventure game, but you can certainly find a background out of something, and you can make cutout characters or whatever. But the end of the game, the whole idea is, come back here. Let's make sure they get. You have to demonstrate going to the west, starting from rest and accelerating at 1 meter per second, and well, probably maybe a second or two is probably the best thing, or we could run off the page, but I'll leave it up to you. Do you get paid to do this? No, it's just volunteer. Yeah. Okay. I hope he's got more instructions on Canvas, because this is pretty vague. Yeah. Bye.